What's up? What's up, guys? I just got home. It is Sunday, 18th, I believe it is today. I may be wrong. I had a pretty busy, productive day today. Yesterday I kind of lounged all day today. Can't even talk. Yesterday I kind of lounged all day because I wasn't feeling well, but I did go have brunch with my friend, and then today I woke up in a better mood and I was really productive. I like deep cleaned my whole apartment, and then I did laundry. I got my nails done. As you can see, this is probably the most color that I'll ever do. And I cut them off. They used to be really, really long, but now they're short. So yeah, I wanted to come on here and say, by the way, I'm wearing this onesie that Loving Tan, I'm pretty sure Loving Tan sent. And I'm obsessed with it. And it still fits, which is nice. Anyways, I wanted to come on here and say thanks everyone for congratulating me and your well wishes on my pregnancy. I truly appreciate it. I did not expect to get as much love as I did because I've been so MIA. I just didn't think I was gonna get as much views on my channel, but I think I did have a good title on my thumbnail that made people click. And it wasn't clickbait, it was legit. I'm like running out of breath. That's like one thing that's been happening to me lately, is that I run out of breath faster. Anyways, so funny thing, today I got my first weird craving. Now it's not a weird craving, but if you know me, I never eat this, ever. I was craving fried chicken. Like that is so random. If you know, I never eat fried chicken, like no. I don't like bones in my chicken. I know I'm probably gonna get judged on that. So I get like chicken tenders, and I don't have any KFC near me, so I have Popeyes. Never tried Popeyes in my whole entire life. And the funny part about it is the reason why I wanted to try Popeyes is because I watched It's Judy's life, and she tried Popeyes one time and she made it seem like it was so amazing. And I'm like, I kind of want fried chicken, maybe like chicken tenders, and I'm gonna go to Popeyes, which is so random. So I just got like a 3-piece chicken tender, and I think it comes with like a biscuit, and I got a side of coleslaw and mashed potatoes. I know, a lot of food, and I probably won't eat the whole thing. I haven't had any crazy cravings. The only thing that I crave a lot, I would say, is maybe like fruit. Luckily, I've only gained 6 pounds. I will be 4 months in a few days, I think on Thursday. So not too bad, but I'm trying to not gain too much weight. Not that that's bad or anything, but I'm just trying to watch out because I don't want it to be super hard, you know, after pregnancy to lose all the weight. So I'm just trying to eat healthy because I don't work out as much as I used to. I just haven't had the energy to do so. I was really sick, and then I was really low in energy, and then I had, oh my God, just a bunch of other stuff. Anyways, so I'm going to try that for the first time, and I figured I would vlog it and see what is the hype on Popeyes. So random, I know. Another thing too is I figured that I would ask you guys now, but I don't think I will probably ask on Instagram or Snapchat. So I'll ask you guys here. If you guys have any Q&A questions, go ahead and write them down below, and I'll probably do a Q&A video. I'm sure you guys have tons and tons of questions, and I will do a separate video on that. But the best thing right now, Popeyes! Oh my God, you guys, why am I so excited? And I've never tried it, so I don't even know if it's gonna be good. I got some coleslaw. I love KFC coleslaw. It's my fave. And then, let me see if I can actually put this thing down, because, ooh, it's working. And then, I got the spicy chicken tenders, and I have some mashed potatoes, biscuit, and then I got some side of ranch. I will have to get a spoon for the other stuff. Should guys probably plant you. I'm like ducking at this point. So, oh my God, I'm so excited. This is a chicken tender. Ooh, it looks nice and crispy. It's not overcooked. It doesn't look dry. I'm trying to be as informative as possible. Dip it in the ranch, and their Ranch is called, oh, it's just a buttermilk ranch sauce. I thought it said like blackened something at the store. See the hype? Wow, this is pretty good. It's not like the most amazing thing I've ever tried, but it's freaking good. Some pretty good chicken right there. Wow. Oh shit. Okay, that was good. This is their biscuit. As if I'm doing a haul. This is tough because I really love KFC's biscuit. This is good. It's good, but I don't know if it's better. Now, I feel like if you get a fresh biscuit from KFC, it's way better than this biscuit, but being the first time that I tried this biscuit, because sometimes KFC biscuits, you know, depends how long they leave it out or all that stuff, then it's a tough one. If this is consistently always tasting this way, then I'll root for Popeyes. I'm going to go get a spoon. Oh wait, yay! So I can try their coleslaw. That's what that looks like. So random. Like, I would never in a million years imagine me eating Popeyes. Okay. Still think KFC's better. Ooh, this is a stiff competition. Don't get me wrong, Popeyes is like, this is really, really good. I would definitely eat this again. But just a diehard KFC person. Now there are mashed potatoes. Ooh, that gravy. I don't know if I'm gonna like that. I don't know what's in it. Okay, so I like the mashed potatoes. I am not a fan of the gravy. No, not a fan of the gravy of Popeyes, but so far, their coleslaw is really good. KFC's more flavorful, sorry. Their chicken tenders are freaking awesome. Their biscuit, A1. It's my first time trying Popeyes. I should make them their all. Yum! So good. Okay, love it. This morning I had a smoothie, so I had it with spinach, banana, strawberries. I know I put something else. I think it was kale as well. And then just ice water and like a little bit of like matcha powder. So good. So I had that for breakfast just because I was like running around. I didn't have time to cook. And then for lunch, I had scrambled eggs with tortilla. So I made it into like a taco. And it was so good. So this is what I'm having for dinner, so I don't feel guilty for eating it, okay? All right, I know I look like a fat ass, but trust me, I didn't eat that all day, and your dinner should not be the biggest meal of your day, but mine is today. And I definitely won't finish all this. That's pretty much it. I don't have anything else to say right now. This is such a random vlog. I will check in with you guys later if there's anything else going on. I am meal prepping right now. I'm actually like baking some chicken, and I'm gonna make like a really easy stir fry, so maybe I'll vlog that. It's just gonna contain white rice, chicken, broccoli, egg. That's pretty much it, soy sauce. And then I will also make zucchini pasta, which is like my go-to right now. Super easy to make, zucchini, pasta sauce, if you wanna put mushrooms in there, ground turkey. Yeah, that's pretty much really easy ingredients to make. So I'm gonna be making those two so I can meal prep for the week. Snacks that I currently eat. Actually, you know what? If you guys wanted to ask me this on the Q&A, feel free, write your comments down below and we'll take it from there and I'll just do a video from that. Otherwise, I am just going to sign off. I love you guys. Thank you so much. You guys are really ride or die MVPs. I love you so much. And I don't have anything else to say, but make sure you click that bell button, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to my channel. What's up? Welcome. What else? Like this video, that would be amazing. And I will see you guys until the next one.